My friends, for the third time, I'm going to show you 5 powerful drum fills that are perfect for beginners, and we're starting right now. What's up everyone, CJ here, I hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to show you 5, that's right, 5 powerful drum fills that are really easy to learn, so if you're a beginner, keep watching this video. And if you're a more advanced drummer, you might get some inspiration from this as well. This is the third time I've created a video like this, so if you want to check out my earlier videos about 5 powerful drum fills, you can check them out right up here. Now before we get started, if you're a part of my channel membership, you can download everything from this lesson, including the transcriptions and my drum tracks in the link in the member community tab. So if you're not a member, consider joining to get some extra bonus content. Okay you guys, let's start with the first fill. This is a really cool use of 16th notes, since you're going to play in groupings of 3, and you're going to have a really cool ending of this fill. It's going to sound like you're playing triplets, but it's not. The sticking for this entire drum fill is right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, 1. I'll break it down slowly on the snare drum first, and then orchestrate it around the drum set. And remember to apply this drum fill to your setup. We all have different setups, and it's going to sound awesome either way. Here we go. Awesome, you guys. Time for fill number 2. This drum fill is awesome. It's really heavy and it works in a lot of different genres. And it's super easy too, you just gotta keep track of your counting. This sounds very similar to the fill we just played, and just like the previous fill, it's gonna sound like you're playing in triplets because of the 3-note grouping. The sticking for this drum fill is kick, right, left, 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 kick, 1. So you get that double kick when you go back to the 1. It's a simple drum fill, but trust me, if you're not used to starting a drum fill with your bass drum, it's gonna feel a bit awkward at first. When you first practice this, make sure to count it out loud so you get used to the sticking. Let me break it down at a slow tempo and then gradually increase the speed. Good job, you guys. Time for fill number 3. As I've said before, if you want to fatten up your drum fills, start adding flams. This fill sounds great as a fat rock fill or a tasty funk fill. It all depends on how you apply it. The sticking for this fill is flam, kick, right, left, right, kick, flam. If you would count this, it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We'll start slow and then gradually increase the tempo. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, give this video a like and remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out whenever I post a video. Okay, you guys, fill number 4. I love 16th note triplets. You can orchestrate this drum fill around the drums however you want, and it'll sound amazing anyway. It's a half measure fill, which means that you start the fill on beat 3. And the sticking for this fill is just alternating right and left, counted as 16th note triplets or sextuplets. So when you count this, you can go 3 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 1. Let me show you. Okay, you guys, the 5th and final fill. Here's another fill that ends with a flam. This one is super simple and super powerful, so let's just get this over with. The sticking for this drum fill is right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, flam. 1. When you count this out, it's 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. Here we go, guys. And there you go, guys. I hope you enjoy these 5 powerful beginner drum fills. As a reminder, all my awesome channel members out there can download everything from this lesson via the link in the member community tab. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. If you want to check out my previous 2 videos about 5 powerful drum fills, you can check these 2 videos right here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.